straw hat that just finished coming through the line.
Okay, so you want him out now? Or are you going to allow him to eat, or that's your call?
Oh.
Because I can tell him that he needs to leave as soon as he's done eating, if that's what you prefer.
And then he's not to come back.
And it's Rick Ryan, correct? Is his name? Hey. Hey. You got a second to talk, Mr. Ryan?
Station 2, stand by for driving late in the area.
Hi.
Hey, how are you?
What's up?
Hey, I need to let you know this is being recorded, okay? The reason I'm here to talk to you today is Mo Johnson. I'm sure you know who that is. He wants you trespassed from this premises. So you need to go, and you're not welcome back here, okay?
Is there a reason for this?
He's because of past issues they've had with you, and he wants you trespassed from the premises.
Can I ask what
That's his choice. He's in charge of this place, so in order to do that, you need to go through the proper channels. And
what are the proper channels?
Well, that would be to contact the board or whoever.
He's the president.
Yes, I realize that, and he's the one that asked me to have you trespassed from here.
So you understand that I've filed a complaint against him?
Yeah, I understand that.
And so he is.
Well, sir, you need to go. Okay, I'm not going to sit here and debate it with you. He's the president of the senior
so
center.
So he just says to
absolutely,
anybody,
absolutely,
you got to go.
Yep.
Okay. So I should get my coat.
Go ahead and grab your coat, and then you have to leave. Okay. I'm not going to give him the option to.
Okay.
He says he's recording. He says he's recording our stage, I think. And he isn't well, I think the camera's with him.
Thank you, sir.
You bet. And I am recording, so if you guys need the copy of it at all, you just let me know.
Well, he probably needs a copy of the letter.
Yeah. Well, and I'll put it in the system, so it'll be on our system if we have any issues with them as well.
So will there be anything written?
I'm telling you right now that you're trespassed. He gave us a request to do it, and that's all we have to do. If you would like something in writing, I can provide you something in writing. He provided me something in writing. I left it at the office.
So
it's in a stack.
I can't see that?
Can
I come down and see it?
I don't have time to deal with that right now. I have other calls.
It should be on file, right? Or
you need to go. Okay, I'm not going to debate this with you.
Okay.
We're done. Let's go.
Okay, we will be going. At some point, may I see a copy?
Absolutely.
Okay, so.
And you can have a copy of this. It's just as good as any writing.
Yeah.
And you can come by.
That's That's what I.
You can come by. I'll be back on duty on Monday. You can come by anytime from Monday to Friday. I work from 8 to 4. 8 to 4, excuse my language. And you can pick up, I'll have a copy of it ready for you there. Okay? I'm just doing what
I know you are.
I
know you are. And I'm just trying to understand what's happening.
Right. Mo came in, he
came into the station?
He came into the station and requested
that was today?
No, this was like last week. And this was they just called and said you were here, so I came down and did what he requested. Okay? And I'm not 100% sure what the exact process you need to go through, because I don't know how the board works here. As far as, I'm sure there's a way you can grieve the fact that they're doing this.
The senior center does have
a board.
Bylaws.
I figured they would.
They have bylaws.
Yep.
You know, mission statement.
Yep.
And bylaws.
Yeah.
And in the bylaws, it states very clearly that if somebody is causing a problem that needs to be addressed, that it needs to be written up and submitted to the board.
The board. Okay.
And then that complaint is to be brought to the person that is being addressed.
Right.
And they talk about it.
Right.
And that's counted as a strike.
Okay.
This is in the bylaws.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. I have not seen the
and
bylaws.
Then
so I don't.
If some other thing happens or that behavior continues, it is to be written up again.
Okay.
And they are to be talked to again and saying now you're on double dare probation.
Right.
So a third instance, if it occurs,
is when they would.
When they write it up, they meet, they decide, whether it's an issue among them, whether they should proceed with it or not, the whole thing. And then
301 code 4.
At that point, a person can be trespassed.
Okay.
That's according to their bylaws.
Okay.
So since he's the president and he doesn't seem to be following the bylaws,
then you should be able to address that.
The board.
Yes, that would be my suggestion.
I made a
yes.
complaint to the board
about him.
Not following the bylaws.
Right.
Which seems to be happening right now.
I can't answer to that because I don't know what the process was to get to this point.
I have the complaint with the appendix of the bylaws that pertain to my complaint, and I would be happy to give you a copy.
Oh, that's quite all right. I don't need that.
You started, so you have a complaint, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I'm not going to go there. I told you I'm not going to hash this out. He's the president of the senior center, so he wants you trespassed. Okay, I'm leaving. So you have a nice day. I've got to go. I've got other things I've got to attend to, and I'm not. I told you need to deal with that with them. This isn't a criminal complaint. It's a trespass. If you come back, then it's a criminal complaint.
Thank you for making that clear.
Yeah. I'm recording this too, just so you know. Okay.
Great. And I can have a copy of that?
We'll see. What's going on?
I was at the senior center, and I don't believe you're the person I dealt with.
Yeah, I am.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Then you said that you had the report here.
Report?
That was filed.
He filled out a trespass complaint.
Yeah, that.
And I don't know where it went. I have to have him refill one out. That's on me, not him. What?
Really?
You can be trespassed
then.
verbally.
Okay,
You don't.
then.
It doesn't have to be in writing.
Okay then. I would, because I wanted a copy of the report. I'd also like any report that he wrote. Excuse me. Any report that you wrote after you.
I didn't write a report because it's just it's a trespass. You didn't commit any crimes.
No, I didn't.
So that, yeah, it's not a.
So why was he trespassed?
No.
All right, you can go. I'm not going to sit here and
Let's
be
not
filmed
go
by
there.
somebody
Let's
and
not
be
go there.
egged into an argument.
Excuse me.
I'll see you
Not
later.
for an argument. I'd like to let you.
What's
when you
this?
Find the report or get the report or have.
I'm not talking to you.
Would you please take a look at that and then.
No, I told you before, this is a civil issue. I did the trespass part of it. I can't revoke the trespass. That's up to the senior center. All I am is as the guy handing the news to you. I don't care about your riff with the senior center. That's what I tried to explain to you the other day, and you won't seem to listen to me on this. I don't want this paperwork unless it's a criminal act. No, I won't. No, I don't want it. I'm not going to take it. I don't want it because it's not a criminal act.
I believe the Gold Beach Police Department is a victim of fraud and conspiracy to commit fraud.
He has every right in the world, being the president of the senior center, to
But
trespass.
I believe that
But you
the
don't
Gold
understand,
Beach
and I
Police
tried to
Department
explain this to him
is
that.
a victim. You're the victim here
No, I'm not.
of fraud and conspiracy to
No,
commit fraud.
I'm not
If
a
you have
victim.
no authority, then
How does he?
authority ends.
Station 2.
Okay, goodbye.
208.
We have been told goodbye. Was that littering?
Yeah.
Okay.
You need to go.
Okay.
My goodness. So, can I just say something?
Absolutely.
Quietly?
Absolutely.
Listen, those bylaws for the senior center,
But
he was
ma'am,
supposed to receive
listen,
written.
understand this. It's not a criminal act. The only part I had in it, and I tried to explain it to him, but he wants to argue with everything, is if I'm asked by the president of the senior center, I'm not going to argue with him. He asked to have somebody trespassed. That's all I'm doing. I told him he needs to go to the board and look through to the board of the senior center. Explain that to him, because as soon as that happens and the board says he's not trespassed, then I can rescind that from our system. But I'm not the bad guy,
We
and
just-
it's not a criminal act.
Yeah.
Therefore, my only part in it is if he goes back there and he's trespassing.
But he wasn't legally trespassed.
Yes, he was.
According to their bylaws, he was not legally trespassed, sir.
That,
We
but
just
that's
read the bylaws.
but that's to take to the board, not to me.
But then what protection does he have? If he can be trespassed from there without it being legal,
I'm
what
not-
protection does he have?
He
From
does have
you.
protection to go and go
Doesn't
to
he
the
have
board.
legal right?
To go to the board.
Yeah,
And-
but the board is already.
See, this is what I'm saying. I'm not going to argue with you about
Yeah.
this. I'm trying to be nice. You guys won't listen to me, so now I'm not being nice. You need to leave.